All right, so unless you have been living under a rock, one of the biggest topics at every dinner table, water cooler, and bar stool all over the past year to year and a half has been the real estate market. Or more appropriately, the conversation has been revolved around today's modern real estate market, housing prices, and current mortgage rates. And mortgage rates have been one of the hottest topics in the housing market lately due to their impact on affordability. And if you are someone who has been looking to buy or sell, chances are you've probably been waiting eagerly for mortgage rates to come down for that very reason. And the good news is, if the past couple weeks are any indication, you may finally be getting your wish. This week has been a big week for mortgage rates, thanks in part to the latest reports on the economy, inflation, and the unemployment rate. Mortgage rates have finally started to lower this week. And according to Freddie Mac, mortgage rates are now at a level we haven't seen since last February. In fact, if we take a look back to just May of this year, interest rates hit just over 7.5%. And this week, they are now a full point lower, with some lenders offering mortgage rates in the low sixes. All right, so maybe you're hearing this and wondering, what if you decide to just ride the wave and see how low interest rates will go? And if that's the case, here's some context you may want to consider. The record low rates from the pandemic time are a thing of the past. Unfortunately, the unicorn years of 2020, 2021, and 2022, those years are over. And if you're holding out hope to see a 3% mortgage rate again, you're going to be waiting for something experts agree simply will not happen. In fact, according to Greg McBride, chief financial analyst for Bankrate, the best interest rates we may be able to hope for over the next year to year and a half is 5.5 to 6%. So are you still on the fence? That's okay. I get it. Another issue you may want to consider is this. If you wait for mortgage rates to drop even further, you may end up finding yourself dealing with more competition, as other buyers, just like you, are also waiting on the sidelines, waiting for mortgage rates to drop. And once those rates do drop, whether it's 2025 or 2026, whenever those rates do drop, and eventually they will, those buyers, just like you, will re-enter the market and reignite their home searches, causing more competition, driving home prices up. Meaning, while your monthly payment may be lower thanks to lower interest rates, once home prices rise due to higher competition, you'll pay more money for your home. So the question then becomes, are you actually saving money? The choice is and always has been yours, and it's a question of which do you prefer. Do you want to purchase a home now at a potentially lower price, face lower competition, but higher interest rates, then when rates come down, refinance? Or do you want to wait until mortgage rates drop even further, then start your search, battle competition and near record low home inventory, pay top dollar for your home, but with a lower monthly payment? Simply put, in the housing market, there's generally a relationship between mortgage rates and buyer demand. Typically, the higher the interest rates are, the lower the buyer demand is. But when interest rates do start to come down, things change, and they happen fast. Buyers who are on the fence over higher interest rates will resume their home searches. The bottom line is this: if you are ready to buy, now might be the time to strike. Home prices have been rising primarily because of a long-standing shortage of homes for sale, and that is unlikely to change. And if mortgage rates do fall below 6%, it's highly possible buyers will re-enter the market in droves, further pushing up home prices and resurrecting bidding wars, putting us right back where we were in 2020, 2021, and 2022. Pure chaos. So if you have been waiting to make your move, the recent downward trend in mortgage rates may be enough to get you off the sidelines. Mortgage rates have hit their lowest point in months, and this gives you, as a buyer, the opportunity to jump back in the market before all the other buyers do too. Catch you guys next time.